What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known tools that would help you increase your digital productivity, and most of the tools are free. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that, because I keep on making such kind of videos on a daily basis, and that would just help me to reach out to you guys whenever I upload a video. Well, coming to the topic for today, I've recently started this series, like a Quora playlist on my channel. The name of the playlist is Quora Answers. And when I go ahead and answer the questions asked to me on my Quora account through the users, through the followers that I have, or the people who follow my space. Well, if you have not followed my space, the link is in the description below, and the name of the space is Digital Productivity Web. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and follow that particular space and ask me as many questions as you can. Well, coming to the question for today, today's question is how can I go ahead and unsubscribe for the Quora Digest? So there are two ways of unsubscribing to the Quora Digest. I'm just gonna show you on, because I cannot tell you through the video, so I will be demonstrating that on my phone. Well, without any further delay, let's get on the mobile screen, guys. But just a last appeal, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and let's move to the mobile screen. So here we are on the mobile screen. Well, the first method is actually a very simple method. Basically, it's just by going on your Gmail, wherever you get the Quora Digest, and clicking the unsubscribe button below the email. But currently it is not appearing. I have no clue why is it not appearing. So I'm going to show you a different method altogether. Through the you can actually go ahead and unsubscribe for them through your Quora application. So here is my Quora application. Let me just put on the internet. All right, so you can go to your profile. Here you can click on the profile. You can click on the settings over here. Once you click on the settings, all you need to do is go into emails and notifications. Then you go to email. And the second last option you will see is Quora Digest. For example, if you click on this and if you just turn this off, all the Quora Space Digest will be gone. You would not be receiving any Space Digest from Quora. In case if you like this particular video, guys, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and share this video with the person you feel it would be helpful for. I'll be back with another question and answer for you guys. Till then, keep geeking and keep watching my channel.